All right, so now with our panel cover back on, the other way is portable backup power. So to do that effectively, also to make sure that we're compliant, we're safe, we're not just protecting our home, we're protecting the linemen down the lines. They're the guys bringing us power back when the storms happen. We don't want to hurt them. So one thing we install is called an interlock kit. It goes up here on the main breaker. So you'll notice that here, we can't have this breaker on, so it'd be a 2-pole, you know, similar to this if that was a system that we had. And it prevents this breaker from turning on. You see, we can't turn it on. That means we can't backfeed. So in the event that we do lose power, we would turn this main breaker off here. This would slide up over so, and then now we're able to turn that breaker on and the main can't come back. That keeps both our home safes, our utility workers safe. They're away from their families working. And it also keeps the system, it backfeeds the power into the home off a portable generator. So when you're using that, that's another thing where you want surge protection. You have an unstable power source. This helps stabilizes it and keeps all the lights going on strong. None of the strobing or flickering going on.
Abacus, you can count on us.